Here are some highlights from a recent show I performed. Enjoy. Follow me, like and subscribe for more content.
Well, I'm standing on the grounds of Arizona, such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed floor, so come down and take a look at me. You're mine, on the radio, playing my Shakespeare, on my front porch swing, fellows round there began to go. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain and Shenandoah River. When the night has come and the land is dark, turn tables and night out. I'm going to Carolina. Day after day, I'm working. Looking